Two AIs. One looks like it's talking to you, the other is already working for you, and most people don't even notice the difference. Welcome to episode 5 of the AI Awareness series, created purely for learning and awareness. Two AIs, one mission, to help you think faster, write better, and work smarter. ChatGPT is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI. You ask questions, it responds in natural language like a thinking partner. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant built into Microsoft products. Behind the scenes, it uses advanced AI models, including OpenAI's technology, but Microsoft builds the experience around it. ChatGPT is a standalone conversation platform. Copilot lives inside your workflow: Word, Excel, Edge, GitHub, and more. One talks with you, the other works beside you. Microsoft offers Copilot in several forms: in Windows and Edge, inside Microsoft 365 apps, and as GitHub Copilot for coding. Same concept, different environments. Why is Copilot sometimes free while ChatGPT has paid plans? Microsoft includes AI inside its ecosystem to add value. ChatGPT operates as a standalone product, and advanced access helps fund research and development. Microsoft and OpenAI have a long-term partnership. Microsoft provides powerful Azure cloud infrastructure. OpenAI develops advanced AI models. Different teams, shared innovation. Training these AI systems requires thousands of powerful GPUs, specialized processors built for massive parallel calculations. These are among the most powerful computing systems in the world. Powerful AI also consumes significant electricity. Data centers generate heat and require cooling. Technology should empower, not waste. ChatGPT and Copilot are not competitors. They are different expressions of intelligent assistance. One expands your thinking, the other accelerates your workflow. But behind these tools lies a deeper partnership, a powerful infrastructure, and important questions about business, control, and responsibility. Details here reflect publicly available information for general understanding, not as legal or financial analysis. Exact contract details are private, but based on public information, here is what we understand. This material is educational. Consult qualified experts for professional advice. In the age of AI, awareness makes the difference. In the next episode, episode 5.1, we go deeper inside the partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft, how it works, who controls what, and what it means for the future. Thank you for being here.